Still not losing fat even though you're working out and eating clean. You're not alone, I've been there. But you're probably overlooking a few key things. And in this video I'm giving you 6 essential fat loss tips that actually makes a difference. You are probably eating more than you think. Exercise burns calories, but it might not be as many as you think. A tough workout might burn a few hundreds of calories, but a healthy smoothie or a post-workout snack can easily wipe that out. To lose fat, you still need to be in a calorie deficit, which you can do by eating around 100 to 300 calories less than your body burns. Start tracking. To be sure that you are eating enough calories or less calories than you burn, then you should track your calorie intake. And also track your workouts to really see if you are doing that progressive overload. The more data you have, the better you can adjust. Don't rely on cardio alone. Cardio helps with burning calories, but strength training is key. Lifting weights builds muscles. That means you will burn more calories at rest than doing cardio alone. And having more muscles will also make you look more toned. Prioritize sleep and recovery, because lack of sleep and chronic stress raise cortisol, which can slow down and block fat loss. Make sure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep a night and manage stress in some way that works for you. Recovery is actually a part of the process to succeed with your fat loss journey. And find a night routine that works for you and will make you slow down and be able to sleep. Watch your weekend habits. A clean diet Monday to Friday is great, but if you are eating in a surplus during Saturday and Sunday, those 5 clean days won't make a change. And this will slow down your progress. Even if one meal outside of the diet plan doesn't really matter and won't take away your progress, you might not want to go overboard on this one. Be patient and consistent. Fat loss takes time. If you're showing up, eating clean and training and doing your recovery, you will be set up for success. You have to try to find a plan that works for you and will help with you staying consistent, because this is a long-term goal and therefore you can't really do a plan that don't really fit in your life. If you have any other tips about fat loss, you can comment them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I am now offering online coaching with a personalized workout plan and nutrition plan to help you hit your goals faster. If you are interested, the link is in the description.